Welcome to BioTime. In this video, we are going to see important terms related to heredity and evolution. Heredity, the transmission of characters from the parents to their offsprings, is called heredity. Variation, the differences in the characters among the individuals of a species is called a variation. Example, human height. Genes. Genes are the units of heredity which transfer characteristics from parents to their offsprings during reproduction. Character. It is distinct, well-defined morphological or physiological feature of the individual. Example, height. Trait. It is a distinguishable expression of a character. Example, tallness or dwarfness. Progeny. The offspring produced as a result of reproduction of the parents. Allele. Either of a pair of alternative forms of a gene that can occupy the same locus on a particular chromosome and that control the same character. Haploid cell. Cell that has only one complete set of chromosomes. Diploid cells. Cell that has two sets of chromosomes, one of paternal origin, the other of maternal origin. Somatic cells. All cells forming the body of an organism except the reproductive cells. Sex chromosomes. Either of a pair of chromosomes, usually designated X or Y, in the germ cells of most animals that combine to determine the sex and sex-linked characteristics of an individual. Homozygous. It is an individual having identical alleles of a gene. Example, capital TT, small tt. Heterozygous. An individual having both the contrasting alleles of a character is called heterozygous. Example, capital T, small t. Genotype. It is a description of genes present in an organism. Phenotype. The characteristic which is visible in an organism is called phenotype. Example, tall or dwarf or phenotypes of a plant. Monohybrid cross. It is a type of a cross involving inheritance of only one pair of contrasting characters. Example, tall and dwarf. Dihybrid cross. It is a type of a cross involving inheritance of two pairs of contrasting characters. Example, round yellow and wrinkled green. Dominant factor or trait. It is a factor or allele which can express its effect whether present in homozygous or heterozygous. Example, capital T in capital TT, capital T small t. Recessive factor or trait. It is a factor of allele which is unable to express its effect in the presence of contrasting factor is called recessive factor. Example, small t. F1 generation. It is the generation of hybrids produced from a cross between genetically different individuals called parents. F2 generation. It is the generation of individuals which develops as a result of inbreeding amongst individuals of F1 generation. Acquired traits. A trait of an organism which is not inherited but develops in response to the environment is called an acquired trait. Inherited trait. A trait of an organism which is caused by a change in its genes is called inherited trait. These traits are obtained from the parents and passed on to the next generation. Thank you for watching. Subscribe by your time. Do like, share and comment below.